Today we're going to be live solving 14 problems from the 2023 AMC 10A. Let's get right into it. We're going to speed on this test. Let's get right into it. I have not seen these problems either. So A and B, 45 miles apart. So A, B is 45. So 18. Okay, this is easy. P, 12. H and they meet. So this one they equal to 45. Say 2x. X equals 3 halves. 3 halves times 18 equals 27. Different answer is going to be E, fourth. So 1/3 of P plus 7 halves of O equals, what's P plus 1/2 of O? O equals 1/4. Put that in together. It's gonna be 6/8. So it's gonna be 1/8. 6/8. 6/8 here on the left, and then 2/4 minus 1/3 is 9/12 minus 4/12. 5/12. 5/12. So it should be just 70 over 40 equals P, which equals 1/4. Done. Let's try. So we know 45 squared equals 2025. So that's less than 20. So it can be 5 to 40. Gotta be 8. Perimeter is 26, and a one side length of 4. Could be less than half. Can't be 11. Has to be the greater one next. This is a bait because to prove that with like straight lines, like the straight lines here. Because if this is 13, then none of these are going to be able to go up and form a triangle. It's going to be obsolete. It's going to be eradicated. And you can prove that, but this is just it's kind of formulaic if you know this. But yeah, so this is, let's break this down. So we know 8 is 2 cubed. So we can do 15 times 5 fifths times 3 to 5th. So, okay, so it's basically just 10 to the 15th times 3 to 5th with those 15 zeros. And that's 3 digits, so it's going to be E. And you're going to assign each vertex of a cube. So this is a vertex. So the value is defined based on the values of edge. Okay. Faces is defined based on the 4 edges. Okay. Cube is defined as the sum of the, okay, so makes 6, okay, makes sense. So we're going to count this value 3 times. We know each one's going to be counting twice in terms of each box. We're going to be counting this twice. Because that one on the other side is going to be counted twice there. It's got to be 3 times 2 times whatever this value is. Implicitly, it's got to be 126. So standard 6 dies 4 times. Here running to, so we have 1, 1, 1. We have 2, 1. We also just have a 3, so that's just a 1/6. That's a 1. So 36. So it's going to be this 216. 1 over 216 is got to be that. So it's going to be 12. So 12 is 1 is 49. Got to be B. Temperature scale. Okay, that's F, and then call this. Let's be 0, then 200. So we do 90 more, so 9 of 2 times, and we have 100. It's going to be equal 9 over 24. It's going to be approximately 37. 37.5. It's got to be D. So I'm just reading through this. Okay, so you have 0, 3, 11. 0, 3, 22. We can have 10, 31. We can have 10, 13. We can have 11, 0, 3. We can have 11, 30. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 0 to 23. 7. 0, 3, 2, 3. Sorry, not making sense. So, okay. There we go. Okay. Let's see. So we can have the 11? No, that's wrong. Kind of annoying here. Let's see, let's look at it. Um, 3, 22? Yeah. I feel like I'm missing maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Just something simple. Just something simple. So if I think about it, because 3 goes here, so something. Won't work once again. Okay, 3. Okay, so we can't go here, so we already tried that. We could go here. Okay, so 3, 1. Only one that works. 3, 1. Another 1. 0, 1. That'll work, I think. And that's 8. Missing 1 more. What is it? Let's see. I think we're missing 1 more. So we can eliminate all the options. Maybe it's 3 at the end, so like 1. Um, 0, 1, 1, 3 also works. So we have 9 numbers. It's done. 9 numbers. So Marine scores 11, so we have like the median, so we can call this A. Let's call it M over, and she would increase by 1. Wait, what? I meant over M plus 1, and then okay. So then she goes in. So then it'd be M plus 33 over N plus 3. M over N is 2. Okay, now it's almost making some M over wait, what? So Mn, okay, kind of annoying. So Mn plus M over N plus N plus 1. Alright. Then equals M plus 11. And you should just be able to so minus N plus 11. Sorry, N plus 1. So it should be M plus N. So M minus N plus 10 equals Mn plus M. And then before I get some answers. It is kind of annoying. Okay. Mn minus squared. So we're going to have Mn N squared plus 10n Mn plus M. Like that. So it would be. I guess that's something. This is annoying, bro. It's gonna be a lot of algebra to say the least. Okay, maybe we're just doing this incorrectly. Okay, let's rethink it. Okay. Well, let's just say like so a over n plus 1 equals. You can say that. N plus 11n. N plus 1. Equals a. So then n plus a, so a plus n. Okay, cool. That's cool. And then we could just do it to other ones. So then like a plus 3. N plus 3 equals a over n plus 3. So then we can just do this and then plus n minus 3n. 3n. To be an n plus an plus 3a plus 3n squared 9n going to equal an plus 33n n plus 3. So that 33n is going to go 20 by 20. What? 4n. 4, sorry. 5n. 18n, sorry. 7. Okay. This is really bothering me. Okay, we have to restart this. Okay. Let's do it. Okay. A plus. Should do m. So minus 1 to m times n, so mn plus 11 n over minus n equals m. Okay, see that, and then make by multiplying everything by n plus 1, so n plus n times n plus 1, mn plus n plus n squared equals mn plus 11n. Cancel this, we got 10 m plus n squared. Okay, cool. Do this guy. This is very, very stupid, but it's okay. 2 and so mn n plus 3 plus m plus 2n, so you have m plus 2n times n plus 3. Mn 3n plus 2m squared 6n. That's going to equal mn plus 3n. Because of that, so it's going to be 7n 3n 2n squared. Okay. Now what? Probably subtract that. So if I could subtract these guys, then I'm going to get what? And I'm going to get 2m. Subtract it, guys, and then plus n squared equals 17n. And you can also resubtract that if I'm wrong. Subtract that, so we get m equals 7n. Now we plug that in, so that equals 7n. Oh god, so 7 equals, so 9, sorry. So 9, so 9 equals, oh god, so 7n plus 3. 9 plus 6 makes sense. Okay, here we go. That's big. So then we got n equals 3. If n equals 3, then what happens? So, okay, that's 20. So 21, okay, 21 over 3 is 7. Okay, that's good. Finally, I freaking hate this. I just don't like that algebra where there's so much on the, so much in the denominator. You have to keep multiplying. So you get to that and subtract, and it's literally 8. So square root of 2. So this is root 2. This is 3. So this is root 3. And therefore this is 1/4, based on what they're saying. So this length and this length. So we know one of them is root. So okay, so let's call this length x. So it'd be like root 3 minus x times x or 2 will be 1/4. So that means it should be squared plus x minus 1/2 equals 0. So squared minus root 3. So b and b, so 3 plus b squared. So b squared would be 3 minus 4 is c minus 4 times x minus 2 1 to 1. 2 plus 1 over 2, but it's going to be the same thing as the negative on the other, for the other solution, I believe. So it'd be basically root 3 minus 1 over root 3 plus 1. We can be 3, 2 root 3, so plus 1, so 4 minus 2 root 3. Root 2 would be 2 minus root 3, should be c. Pretty like 80% sure. So this has, so numbers below 7, number 4 letters. So basically, that means that it's going to be in the 500s. It's going to be divisible by 7. Less than 600. Less than 600. 72 is the one that's closest to that, and the maximum I believe is like 8. Let's see, where's the maximum? So 86, 87, so 2, 4, so 5, 4, 5, 8, so 88, 7, so 6, 5, so 6, 6, 1, 87, so 9, 4, so 9, so 86 is the only one left. So 86 to 72, which 672 should be 15. Should be 15. Pretty confident. So Abdul and Trainer are standing 48 apart in a field. Barad is standing in the same field as far from Abdul. So this measures 60 degrees. Square this distance. So So the triangle isn't obtuse, which should mean that would be 60 degrees. That making sense, right? Nothing. Yeah, it wouldn't make much sense. The triangle right. Is that possible? Is that possible? It's far. So why would it be far? Because why would it be equal? I feel like this has to be 90 degrees. I don't see another way of solving it, just using like deductive and implicit reasoning there. Not even like the test makers make sense. I mean, it should mean that this would be because the ratio would be 48 to root 3. So then it would change it to 96 to 3. Sorry, wait. If you square this, 6. It's going to be 8100, but when you divide by 6. Hold on. It's going to be 1.8. So therefore, it's got to be in the 3000s. It's got to be. It should be C based on logic, because when you square 96 squared, it's going to be like 1.8. Then by 6 is going to be like roughly 3000. So, not even doing like the arithmetic, that makes the most sense. But then we don't know if this is 9 degrees. I don't even know how. I'm just going to presume that's 9 degrees because I don't see how much we can solve for. It's not, if it's an equilateral triangle, then the answer would just be 48, and 48 squared is not an option, right? That's why I think this 13 makes most sense. That's why I think for 13 C makes the most sense. That's why I think. Might be wrong. Number shows are random from among the first 100 positive integers and a positive integer divisor. Okay, so what if I had the chosen divisor? So we have like 11, 299. So 9 choices. That's 9 to 100. But we also have let's think about it. So we have positive divisor. Okay, so how do we know that it's gonna be 11? So think about, let's just say we choose 22. It's probably choose 2 or 11. That's a 1/2. For 11, probably choose a 1, or just 1 also 1/2. For 33, it's also 1/2. For 44, it's also 1/2, right? Because we could choose, we choose 11 times 2. Choose 2, 2 squared, 11. So we have once again 1/2. So I'm going to presume it's going to go, based on intelligent reasoning, I would assume this goes on. So I assume it's just 9 left and 1/2. This could be B. We're done before 14 problems. Hopefully this problem's right. 13 I'm very, very iffy about. I don't know. Probably just did out the video, see if I'm right. Hopefully I'm right. But that's just kind of my using logic. That's my guess.